I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an affidavit certificate. First, understand that an affidavit is a formal, sworn written statement of fact, used as evidence in legal proceedings. To begin, you'll need to gather all relevant documents and supporting evidence pertinent to your case. It's crucial to clearly define the specific purpose for which your affidavit is being prepared, as this will guide its content and structure. This initial preparation is key to a smooth application process. Next, let's focus on drafting the affidavit itself. It's essential to state all factual information clearly, concisely, and without ambiguity. Organize your statements in a logical and, if applicable, chronological order to ensure readability and coherence. Remember to include a sworn statement, often at the end, affirming that the content of the affidavit is true and accurate to the best of your knowledge. This step is vital for the document's legal validity and credibility. Once drafted, the next critical step is notarization. You'll need to locate a qualified notary public or another authorized official who can administer oaths. It is absolutely essential that you sign the affidavit in their physical presence. The notary will then verify your identity and witness your signature, adding their official seal. Be prepared to pay any applicable notarization fees, which typically range from about $10 to $20, depending on your location and the specific service. Finally, with your affidavit notarized, you're ready for the last steps. Submit the completed and notarized affidavit to the appropriate authority or court, as required by your specific situation. It is highly recommended to keep at least one certified copy for your personal records, as this can be invaluable for future reference. Always understand the legal implications and proper use of your affidavit to ensure it serves its intended purpose effectively and legally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.